Joshua for the battle of Jericho. Joshua for the battle of Jericho. And the walls keep tumbling down, keep tumbling down. Joshua for the battle of Jericho. Joshua for the battle of Jericho. And the walls keep tumbling down, keep tumbling down. Tumbling down, tumbling down, tumbling down, tumbling down, tumbling down, tumbling down, tumbling down. The walls, the walls, the walls. And the walls keep tumbling down, keep tumbling down.
Vi Higginson Gospel for Teens Choir. Give it up. They brought them walls down. Hello, how are you?
Hey y'all, hey, how you doing?
What's your name?
My name is Noelle Higginson.
Noelle Higginson. How you learn to direct like that?
Say it again.
How did you learn to direct like that?
Lord have mercy, it's in the blood, it's in the blood. My mother, it's in the blood, both ways, y'all, up and down, that's it.
That's amazing. I mean, you was directing that choir, and then you turned around and sang, what was that about, like a high G, Kurt? It was like a high... High E flat, yeah. It's just high E flat and then just went and jumped in the choir and changed. You're just doing it all, right?
All we want to do is praise the Lord and go in. We know how to go in, and we go in, and we do it for Him. GFT, y'all, Walker Memorial Baptist Church in the house. You know what? We from Harlem. We from Harlem, y'all. Harlem in the house.
Harlem in the house. Whoa. That's great. I enjoyed the group. You did the choreography?
Yes. Oh, it's a collaboratory thing. My mother, the teens, we all do it together.
That's great. Let's see what the judges got to say. All right, Marvin.
All I can say is unbelievable. It was excellent. From top to bottom, the energy, the tone, everything was just great. You all did a phenomenal job.
Kurt.
Well, first of all, you're beautiful,
Yeah.
and it's always great to see a lady be a lady when she directs. And I mean, you use your prop. That's real hair.
She's making it work.
She worked. Oh, I know. She worked it. But I'd have been molded if I was wrong. But it's always good to see a lady in charge of music. You remind me, I pay homage to Mattie Moss Clark when I see you and the great women directors. And I also felt like I'm on the East Coast. You know, y'all was shouting so fast.
I was going to say that tempo.
Fast
That's got to be
shouting.
East Coast tempo right
But
there.
I was really impressed with the arrangement, how you incorporated, you stayed true to the Negro spiritual, and then you just ebbed and flowed and kept developing and developing, and it just built and built and built and built. Wonderful. God bless
Thank
you.
All right. Fred.
You know, it was always good to see young people take a spiritual song like that, an old Negro spiritual. Do you have a boyfriend? And what happened? What? I was just asking. I don't know. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. Okay.
Where's Miss Higgins in there? Where's Miss Higgins? She in the house tonight. Miss Higgins.
But you all have a name that you have to live up to. The Vi Higginson name goes throughout the country. And you took a Negro spiritual song, and young people interpreted it right. Is that a word, interpreted it?
Yeah.
Y'all did it.
All right, everybody, there you have it. Vi Higginson's Gospel for Teens Choir. Give it up to him. Great job. Great job. All right, everybody, let's give it up for those amazing performances. Come on, all of them. Let's give it up for our dedicated judges, everybody. Fred, Kurt, Marvin. CeCe, what did you think about the small choirs?
Wow. Vi Higginson has done it again,
Yeah.
huh? Amazing. Amazing. It was amazing. It was amazing. I mean, it was so original. I mean, they
think-
kept going. When you thought they did
Yeah,
it,
they
they
kept going.
bring something
Bring
else.
something else.
The energy.
The energy was
the
great,
articulation.
yeah.
It was awesome.
It was
awesome.
definitely awesome. Listen, right here, I want to give a shout out to our Youth Gospel Showcase. Earlier tonight, these performers lit up the concourse with their amazing talent. And I think we can all agree it's good to see a younger generation embracing gospel music. Listen, we are happy they were able to join us tonight.
Please join me in celebrating Gospel for Teens Youth Choir and their directors, Noel Higginson, Elijah Lewis, and the Impulsive Praise Dancers led by Kim Balaam. Come on, give them a hand, everybody.
Come on, everybody, yeah. I love it when we can nurture and encourage, our youth.
Yes, 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 yes.